Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 27,417 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 13 volts, the front left tire at 830 seconds, the front right at 830 seconds, and the rear tire at 930 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted this vehicle's service repair order so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the exhaust, and paint blemishes on the front left fender. This bike has an owner's manual and one key. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. This vehicle is stock with a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.